What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of the 7MAGIC Sonic Electric Toothbrush. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this brush, including one thing you should know before buying. So my wife and I have been trying out a ton of different toothbrushes. This one is actually a very pleasant surprise. I was shocked at how strong it actually is. But before we get into the toothbrush, just to talk about all the things that it comes with. So we have the carrying case, which can carry the toothbrush itself, and one brush head, which goes right there. So there's the carrying case. There is this. This actually goes on the wall, so you can stick on the wall. We haven't used this or anything, but you can basically just stick it on the wall and use it that way. Here's the charger, just a standard, charger that obviously you just put right there, and it'll start charging up. I haven't had any issues with charging. I use this thing for about, trying to think now, it's been about a week. Have used it and have not even had to charge it at all, actually. So it has really good battery life. I actually checked, it's supposed to go up to 30 days. So anyways, that's the battery charger, the brush itself, which I'll talk about in a minute. And then one thing I thought was cool is 5 additional brush heads. It's actually pretty common for these toothbrush companies to only have one brush head when they give it to you. This one has 5 additional, which was a nice add-on. All right, so let's talk about the brush itself. So this brush was a surprise, just the power of it. But here are the different cleaning modes. So we have clean, white, polish, gum care, sensitive, and deep clean. I usually use sensitive. I use it with this. Teeth felt great. But I'll show you some of the things that's cool about this. So it has all these different cleaning modes, but it actually has like 3 levels of each. So level 1, which is the lowest level, the medium level, and then the high level of the cleaning modes, right? So we turn it on here real quick. Let me get it on. Okay, so just to press it's on clean right now, right? And hopefully we can see, you can actually see the bristles move, which I think is pretty cool, right? All these different types of cleaning modes. Now, here's where it gets interesting. So if you hold this down, it goes to level 2. See that? Now that's even stronger. Then we'll hold it down one more time. Look at that. And this is just the vibration of the brush. So it's shockingly strong. I usually keep it in the middle level when I use it. But this shows you just how strong the actual brush is. Actually, I mean, it really is a very, very good brush. Now, as good as the brush is, and as much as I like it, there is one thing to note. I hate when companies do this, but they do. This is the plug. It's a USB plug. They do not give you an adapter. So you have to get a box adapter or use one that you already have to plug it into in order to plug it into the wall, which I think is kind of silly, frankly. It's just kind of irritating when companies do this. I know it saves them a little bit of money, but it's like, hey, include it and charge us the extra $1 or $2. But they didn't in this case. So if you do decide to go with this, which I definitely do think it's a good brush, just know that it doesn't come with the adapter into the outlet. But other than that, guys, yeah, good brush. Really, really strong. Like I said, use it for about a week. Teeth, I mean, they feel clean. I'm no dentist or anything, but they definitely feel clean. I really like how powerful this is. Really like the fact that they have all the brush heads. Not a big fan of that, they don't give you the adapter. But other than that, I do think it's a good brush. I think it's good value. I think it's good overall. So if you are considering it, I definitely have no problem in recommending it and hope that you enjoy.